As you all know, AI is all the rage these days, and every guru out there is shouting from the rooftops that you need to be on it. But what if I told you that blindly jumping on the AI bandwagon might just end up screwing you right in the butt? Yeah, you heard me right. Today, we're here to expose the dangers and the pitfalls of artificial intelligence in the real estate industry. Hey there, I'm James Hund with the Elevated Realtors. Get ready for a thought-provoking video because today we're diving deep into the world of AI and how it could potentially impact realtors. But hold on tight because we're about to challenge that popular narrative. Before we begin, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of our eye-opening content. Let's face it, AI tools like chatgpt have been hailed as the absolute game changers, promising to revolutionize how realtors operate. But here's the truth. Relying solely on AI without context could lead you down a very treacherous path. I mean, don't get me wrong, AI has its merits. It can generate content, provide insights, and really streamline processes. However, it's crucial to approach AI with caution and not fall into that trap of blind trust. So here's the thing about AI tools like chatgpt. They require the right questions, individual training, and human context to truly deliver value. Simply expecting flawless outputs without any effort is a recipe for disaster. Imagine relying on generic content generated by artificial intelligence. It's kind of like shooting yourself right in the foot. People crave authenticity, emotion, and personalization because if you shoot yourself in the foot, people actually kind of respect that because it's authentic, it's unique. So just go ahead and go nuts. However, AI alone cannot capture the essence of your brand or connect with your clients on a deeper level or get your dark sense of humor. To avoid getting screwed by AI, realtors must harness its power wisely. Training chatgpt to understand your specific audience is very paramount. Take luxury home buyers, for example. You need to go beyond surface level prompts and delve right into their fears, their goals, and motivations for those luxury home buyers. Only then can you craft compelling content that truly resonates with them. But also, let's not forget the danger of relying solely on AI generated content. It's like handing over the reins of your business to a machine. Your expertise, insights, and personal touch as a realtor are irreplaceable for now. AI should enhance, not overshadow your unique value. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay informed about our future videos about future tech in the real estate industry. And if you're interested in joining our record-breaking group, the Wolfpack, and gaining access to our comprehensive training, scripts, masterminds, and support, and more, all for free, book a call directly with me, James Hund. Find my Calendly link in the description below. In conclusion, let's not blindly follow the AI hype. Yes, AI has its place, but realtors need to exercise caution, maintain that human connection, and leverage artificial intelligence as a tool rather than an all-encompassing solution. It's a perfect balance between high tech and high touch that will ensure your success in this real estate industry. This is James Hund from Elevated Realtors with eXp Realty. Talk to you later. Bye, friends.